Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College. So please stay tuned with me till the end of the video. Today I am going to tell you each and every one thing in detail, and especially for those youngsters who just want to join AKGC. So I shall also like to tell you each and every one thing in detail, and those guys who are in first year, second year, and third year, they can also relate something with that. And especially for seniors, I would like to ask them, please just tell me in comments that whatever I have told them is right or wrong. Guys, let's get started. And one thing that I shall like to add is that I have no paid partnership with anyone. I have not taken anyone money or something like that as to promote any one thing. Each and every one thing that I am just trying to tell you is mine experience, that is totally mine opinion. You can't relate it with anyone else. It is not the opinion of all the students, that is the opinion of myself. So coming to the first point, I am just talking about the infrastructure. Before that, I would like to tell you that this college is located in Delhi NCR, and it is located on Delhi Meerut Expressway. So coming to the infrastructure, if you are talking about infrastructure, the whole campus is located in 40 acres. So you can just think about that, in 40 acres the whole campus is there. And I shall tell it more clearly that the campus, that the infrastructure that they are providing is much more better than those colleges which are present in Delhi NCR. I'm not talking about any better private university. If you are just talking about AKTU, if you are here, if you are trying to get admission in AKGC, so you are not you have not completed those competitive exams, and you are not getting admission in IITs, not in NITs or in any other private universities. So you are looking for AKGC, right? So if you are talking about the infrastructure, you have to compare with those colleges which are present in AKTU. So I can tell you more clearly that the infrastructure of the campus is average, more than average, you can say. And now coming to the boys hostel. If you are talking about boys hostel, I have been a part of a boys hostel for 1 year. So I can tell you one thing very clearly, that the kind of food they are providing is average. And they just try to be more hygienic. But when there are a lot of guys are in first year, so they just try to maintain the decorum. But if you are just comparing that food with that of your that of food that you are eating at your home, so I can't say any one thing on that. I can't comment on that, because that is irrelevant. Because if you are living in Delhi NCR, you have to eat some food, yeah, for survival. So each type of food that you are getting here, it may be possible that you are living outside means outside of the campus. If you are living in PGs, and there are some PGs which are available behind Rayan International School. If you will just cross the highway, there is a school, Rayan International School, and behind that there are some hostel PGs are there. So if you are eating food there, you can just those guys who are eating food there, they can relate that the and those food are not too much costly. I can say it very clearly, because they are providing food only in 50 or 40 rupees, something like this. But those food are also not too much hygienic. You can just relate that thing. So if you are talking about food, I'm not gonna comment much more on that. But now coming to the boys hostel, second one thing is that which type of facilities are available there. They are providing Wi-Fi, and second one thing is that there is in a badminton court, that is in a table tennis court, and there is in a football ground. I love football ground, because you can go there, you can exercise, you can work out, and after that you can do whatever you want to do, you can spend some time there. So that is something that was a relevant part of AKGC. And second one thing is, if you are talking about the faculties who are present in AKGC, in mechanical engineering, there are a lot of faculties who are much better than average. And if you are talking about 30% faculties are much better than average, and less if you are talking about 20%, they are average or less than average, you can say. I'm totally agree with that point, because there are some faculty members who are putting their efforts. And most importantly, one thing that I would like to add is, if you are joining AKJC, you are just joining a school that is an army school, where you have to maintain the discipline, where you have to attend the classes regularly, where you have to just come to classes just by 8:30, and you have to be a part of that campus for 4 o'clock. And they will regularly monitor all the activities of yours. And if you are not attending classes, or your percentage of attendance is less than 75, they will just call your parents and all, so these type of things are there. And second one thing is that, if you are talking about fest, there is no technical fest, there is no cultural fest here. There is no chance. I can be very clear about that. So you can just relate one thing. I think that the seniors will relate with that. And now coming to the, I was talking about the faculties. There are some faculties who are much cooperative, I can say very clearly. But the kind of education they are providing is not something like, that you can just say wow. There is something not like that. I am very clear about that. And now coming to the labs, if you are talking about the labs in mechanical engineering, they are providing all the equipments, basically those experiments that you have to do in your syllabus. They have all the equipments. If you are just talking about the lab assistants, oh my god, no one is gonna comment on that. You can just experience them. Which type of lab assistants are there? They used to think like that, they are the faculty members. So I'm not gonna comment on that. And there are some faculties, like, who can't speak in English as well. They have communication skills, they have not better communication skills. I'm not gonna comment on that much more. And now coming to the third one thing that is most important, that is placements, guys. If you are a mechanical engineer, if you are a civil engineer, if you are a electrical engineer, forget placements from AKGC, especially in your core branch. If you are talking about the placements, oh my god, I can't explain that, guys. Now why I'm telling you that thing, because the kind of placement that they are providing, that all the placements are for sales. So if you are doing engineering, if you are working for 4 years, please just tell me one thing, that you will join that of sales. No, you are not going to join that, na, because you have some attitude. If you are an engineer, you are looking for a decent job, why you will go for sales? They are providing jobs in sales, so that is not trustworthy. And if you are talking about those of computer science engineers, those of students who are from IT, they have better opportunities. Their placement is average, I can say that their placement is average. Those guys who deserve, uh, I can say that they are getting placed. And there are minimum guys that who will blame me that you are just telling that there is average placement in CS and IT. But because I think so, because I have a lot of friends who have been who have got placed. Some of them are in Amazon, some of them are in Cognizant, and there are a lot of things. Infosys is there, so you can be placed. And especially I shall like to tell you guys, who are in second year and third year as well. You can go for software engineering, software courses, like if you are learning some C++ and these type of things, you can join, Infosys. You can switch you can switch your branch as well. You can switch to software as well. So it's totally depend upon you. It's your, I am not gonna tell you that you have to do that. But I can tell you that some of my friends have got placed in Infosys as well, who are from mechanical engineering. And now coming to the girls hostel, as I told you that I have never been part of that, but I can tell you one thing, that that is within the campus. And the kind of security they are providing, that is relevant, and you can trust on them. So now coming to the next thing, that there are two canteens available in AKGEC. First one is mechanical canteen, where you can enjoy some samosa and cholas. I have enjoyed a lot. And there is a canteen, CSIT canteen is there. so you can go for there. And now coming to the next point, there's in a library in the college that provide better place where you can study, you can have some research and whatever you want to do. There are a lot of magazines, and there are a lot of books are available. You can take your own books, and you can just enjoy there. So guys, I will just tell you that if you are getting admission in AKGC, that is an average college, and you can join it. Those guys who are just telling me that you are telling lie, so guys, one thing, that you are not getting admission in any IITs.